Before starting the video, guys, do check the description for something special. Now let's get started. For any virus, mutation is very common process. And so, in case of COVID-19, COVID-19 has earlier been seen in some other mutated forms, which are alpha, delta, and gamma variants. And most recently, its new variant has been discovered, which is termed as B11529, also commonly named as Omicron variant. It has also been classified as the variant of concern. By who? It was first discovered in Botswana, in Africa. But a scientist of South Africa reported it first to the WHO on 24th November. Till date, it has already spreaded over all major countries and is increasing at an alarming rate. Experts say that some of the 32 mutations found on the spike protein of virus are concerning. Early evidence suggests there is an increased risk of reinfection of this variant than other variant of concern. Experts say this variant can be dangerous since its spike in protein are actually concerning. The virus uses this spike protein to target the human cells, and in this manner they spread. Scientists say that this variant even has the ability to destroy the earlier antibody produced in the human body due to vaccines. In short, even if you are vaccinated, you are not safe from this variant. So please maintain all the decorums and COVID protocols. Recently, there was a massive spike in Omicron cases in Mumbai. About 80% rise in case in 24 hours. 2,500 new COVID cases has been reported in Mumbai in a single day. There is again increase in cases of COVID due to this mutant. This mutant is really dangerous and is spreading at an alarming rate. This could lead to the third spike of COVID or the third wave. About 1,270 new cases in 23 states, among which Maharashtra has the highest number of cases in a single day has been reported. It seems the third wave is not so far away. So everyone, please maintain all necessary COVID protocols. Wash your hands repeatedly, use sanitizers, and also must wear masks. Stay healthy and stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more such facts.